How to remove about info on your Facebook. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your Facebook and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile right over here. Then, when you tap on this edit profile button, you'll be able to see all of your information. Now, you cannot completely delete your about info on your Facebook, but there is a workaround, and that's by setting it to private. Right now, you'll notice most of this information is set to public. So what we're gonna do is change who can see it. So head back, tap on the three line icon, then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll below, tap on settings. Now inside here, scroll below again, then simply tap on privacy checkup. And just like that, you will be able to find an option that says who can see what you share. Tap onto it. Then tap on continue. Simply make sure you set all sections to only me. Once you've done that, you can simply go back to your profile and then you'll see that your about info is no longer public. That's the best way to remove about info on your Facebook, by hiding it from everyone else. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.